Aurora and Mimi are here with you. So let's start together.
Mountain pose. Stand up nice and tall. Feet together. Arms by your sides. Relax and breathe. Big stretch. Reach your arms up high. Stretch your whole body. Maybe go on your tiptoes. Big stretch. Great job. Side stretch. Lift one arm up. Lean to the side. Stretch gently and smile. Forward fold. Bend down slowly. Try to touch your toes. Let your head relax. Nice and easy. Half lift. Lift your body halfway. Hands on your knees. Look forward. Keep your back straight. Chair pose. Bend your knees like you're sitting on a chair. Arms forward. Hold it. You're strong. Cat pose. On your hands and knees. Round your back. Tuck your head down, like a little cat. Cow pose. Now lift your head up. Drop your belly. Open your chest, like a happy cow. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your body. So calm and cozy. Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy. Push your chest up. Look forward. Gentle and easy. Downward dog. Lift your hips up. Hands and feet on the mat. Make a triangle shape. Stretch your body. Puppy pose. Knees down. Stretch your arms forward. Lower your chest. Nice and gentle. Feet together. Move your knees like wings. In B, D, 2, flap. In B, 2, like a butterfly. Seated forward fold. Sit tall. Reach for your toes. Go slowly. Feel the stretch. Easy pose. Seat cross-legged. Hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Twist pose. Sit up tall. Twist your body gently. Look to the side. Nice and slow. Bridge pose. Lie on your back. Lift your hips up. Hold it. You're doing great. Happy baby. Hold your feet. Rock a little side to side. Smile. So fun. Star pose. Stand wide. Arms and legs open. Be a big star. Shine bright. Resting pose. Lie down. Arms relaxed. Close your eyes. Just breathe and rest. Yay! You did it! That was so fun. Aurora and Mimi loved playing with you. If you want more fun yoga, don't forget to come back and maybe tap subscribe. With a little help, let's play again soon. Bye-bye.